Hello friends, today I am going to demonstrate how to calibrate your monitor. But before that, let me try to address three fundamental questions around color. The first question is, when viewing the same image on two different monitors, why colors differ? The second question is, what is monitor calibration, and if I calibrate my monitor, will it solve all my color related problems? The third question is, I want to calibrate my monitor, but I do not know how to do it. Finally, I will share some tips and tricks which will help you to achieve consistent color across your devices. So let's get started with the first question. Why colors differ from device to device? Have you ever visited a television store where multiple TV sets are on display? Have you noticed the same telecasted program is displayed on all TV sets, but their color and contrast differ? This is because each monitor is from a different manufacturer. The electronics and chemical used on these monitors are also different. The same problem happens with our computer monitors. The laptop we use every day in our home and office are best for viewing documents. They are not suitable for image editing. So now that we understood why colors differ, let's get to the next question. What is monitor calibration, and does calibrating your monitor fixes all color problems? So a calibration device is basically a hardware sensor which reads the color displayed by your monitor, calculates the deviation, and prepares a file with corrected color values. The computer will automatically use this file as the new color profile. Now you can rely on the colors displayed by the monitor, take correct editing decision, and produce a accurate image. A digital image is a bunch of data, and your monitor is like a looking glass through which you are analyzing this data. So if you see the data correctly, you will manipulate it correctly. Therefore, it is super important that we start our editing process in a standardized environment. However, it doesn't guarantee that when you send your image to your friend, he will see the same color and tone, because he might be viewing the image on an uncalibrated monitor from a different manufacturer. Monitor calibration is going to only help when you are in complete control of your color workflow. That is, starting from capture to edit to print, you are choosing the right color profiles, paper and ink. Then you can expect your print to match your monitor. Now, color management is a very deep subject and consists of several variables. But at a minimum, you can do two things to get accurate color across devices. The first step is to maintain a consistent color profile throughout your workflow. If you are shooting in RAW mode, maintain Adobe RGB throughout your workflow, and while you output your image, the final image, tag it with sRGB color profile. If you are shooting in JPEG, use sRGB color profile and you should be good. As a second step, buy a monitor which is 99% Adobe RGB compliant and has a IPS display. Having said that, I am going to demonstrate now how to calibrate a monitor.
So this is the monitor which we are going to calibrate. I have already installed the Data Color Spider 4 software on this laptop and started the application. The application prompts to make sure the monitor is on for at least 30 minutes and there is no direct light falling on the monitor. This I have taken care, so I will click next. Now it is asking us to select the device. I have already selected laptop. The application automatically detected the make and model of the monitor, and I will click next. So it is asking whether it will be a recalibration, check calibration, or do a full calibration. I am calibrating this monitor for the first time, so I have selected full calibration and left the gamma, white point, and brightness to the default and click next. Now it is prompting me to place the spider device on the screen. The bottom portion of this spider, which looks like a grid, is the sensor which will read the color displayed by the monitor. I place the device on the monitor and click Next. Now the monitor will start displaying several colors and the device will read them. Once the calibration process is done, the application will prompt to remove the spider hardware and click Next. Now it is prompting us to save the new color profile and set a reminder to recalibrate our monitor. I generally name the file with the current day and date and save it. We'll click next. Now it is trying to show us various images so that we can do a before and after comparison. This is how the image was displayed on the monitor before calibration. I can see a blue color cast here. And now this is how the colors are displayed after calibration. You can clearly see the warm skin tones. Now this is a very critical piece of information and let me explain it in detail. The horseshoe shape represents the visible spectrum. This is the amount of color a human eye can see. The green triangle represents the sRGB color gamut, and the red triangle represents the range of color this laptop monitor can display, which is only 65% of the sRGB gamut and close to 50% of Adobe RGB gamut. My other laptop, which is a MacBook Pro Retina, is 99% sRGB compliant and 75% Adobe RGB compliant. So this clearly proves that a laptop which is meant for documentation work is not suitable for image editing because it simply cannot display those color range.
If you like the video, do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. If you have any question, do write below in the comment section and I will answer you as soon as possible. If you want to join my digital post-processing workshop, please check the details below. Until next time, happy shooting.